Hello friends, this is Shazad and you are watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock iPhone lock to honor, how to unlock iCloud activation lock on iPhone 6, iPhone 6s and 6s Plus, iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8 and 8 Plus without any third-party softwares, without computers and without iTunes. So watch this video till end to unlock your iPhone lock to honor successfully. So now you can see that iPhone is locked to honor. So just press the home button. Here you can see select the language. Tap on English, select your country or region. So I am from United States, so I am selecting the United States. If you have another country, then you select another country. So just select your country or region. Now you can see setup manually. Tap on it. Here you can see choose a Wi-Fi network. So just connected your Wi-Fi network. Enter the Wi-Fi passcode. After entering the passcode, just tap on join and wait for a few seconds. Here you can see it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Wait for a few seconds until your device is activated. So now you can see iPhone locked to honor. This phone was lost and erased. So just go back, wait for a few seconds. It may take a few minutes to activate your device. So go back, wait for a few seconds. You can repeat this process 2 to 3 times. So go back, again go back, and here you can see the Wi-Fi network. So press the home button and here you can see emergency call, accessibility options, Wi-Fi settings and start over. So just tap on the Wi-Fi setting. Here you can see the I button, tap on it. Scroll up, here you can see configure DNS, tap on it. And here you can see automatic and manual, tap on manual. Add server, tap on add server. Here you can add your IP address or server. So watch this carefully and add server carefully. So 177 star, sorry, 166.105. Add server again, 166.155.106. Add server again, 155.144 star 107. And again tap on add server and www.support.apple.com and tap on save. Go back, tap on next. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Wait for a few seconds. Tap on continue. Setup touch ID later. Create your password. Apps and data don't transfer. Setup later in settings. Don't use. Agree. Continue. Continue. Setup later in settings. Don't share. Continue. Continue. Welcome to iPhone Get Started. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.